about storage silos and data silos. Kind of what are the problems with these silos of data, and why do we really need to break down those silos?
Scott, I don't know if you want to jump in first here.
Yeah. Sure. I was gonna give the host the advantage, but absolutely I'll jump in and comment on our research that we're seeing at Enterprise Strategy Group. I mean, Molly, you talk about silos, right? And that's one of the things we've done is in this effort to accelerate access to all the benefits of different clouds and different locations, whether on premises or off premises. We've scaled up resources, but what that's led to this world of distributed data everywhere. And the silos that it creates are inhibiting business. I mean, what we see in our research, and this shouldn't surprise anybody, nearly every organization is hybrid or multi-cloud nowadays. It's hard to find somebody that is only in the data center or only in one of the public cloud providers. But what's really fascinating out of this, and I think we all know it intuitively, but it doesn't get talked about enough. The world is distributed, and it's only going to get more distributed. We're not seeing like some sort of weird consolidation where everyone's moving to one cloud provider or back on premises or anything like that. What's really fascinating is even as environments scale, as cloud adoption increases, we're starting to see an equilibrium start to emerge where about 50% of businesses that have stronger adoption of public cloud resources, when we ask them, what does your investment look like moving forward? The investment levels tend to stay about the same, on premises, off premises, everything else. So what that really says is, look, we're living in this world where data is going to be spread everywhere for a while, and the silo problem is on to IT to fix. I mean, a couple quick stats real quick. 88% of organizations we polled said, look, they believe leveraging multiple cloud providers provide strategic benefits, which means, hey, look, there's no consolidation coming anytime soon. And 87% just echo that by saying their application environments only will become more distributed across more locations over the next 2 years. So distribution is going to happen all the time. And if we don't do something about it, it's only going to lead to more silos, which causes more problems, more risk, more cost as we scale.
Reminds me of laws in thermodynamics of entropy. It doesn't go backwards. And
Exactly.
It's funny that you use the term equilibrium at the same time. And it's that, it's happening even more with advancements in AI. It's no longer one-to-one. You don't have a storage system supporting an application. You want to get all data from all applications now into a number of different tools, AI tools that can consume it. So, it ends up being a many-to-many problem, whereas in yesteryear, it used to be maybe a one-to-one.
Yeah, absolutely. Your comment on AI is so critical because, I've been in this industry for, 2.5 decades. And I think one of the biggest differences in now versus when I started was we used to store data. Now we're actually trying to use it, and we're trying to use as much of it as we possibly can. And AI is a perfect example, which means you have to access all your data or make it accessible.